Yo, what's going on, guys? What is good? What's going on? All right, let me get into some bubble action here. Boom. What's going on? All right. Good evening, man. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Quite a little adventure today. Eh? Look at Swift just having its way with the market, eh? All right, let's get into the comments here first. Kevin, what's up, buddy? First one in the chat. I just want to start out saying we all appreciate you. Thank you for everything, Rob. Hey, I appreciate all of you guys, man. That's the thing of it, right? Is that I'm the one that appreciates you guys for being here, right? If it wasn't for you guys coming and hanging out with me and stuff, I'd just be some dumbass on the internet talking to himself, right? Right? I mean, I may still be some dumbass on the internet, but I digress. Rickaroo, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Micro dips. All you have to say is Elon, and I clicked it in 2 seconds. Nice. WF Capital, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Isaac, what's up, man? I'm out here in Vegas for work. Haven't been on all the live streams, but I'm here now. Nice. Thank you for taking some time to join us, brother. It's awesome to have you here, man. I love having you here in the streams. Tara, hello, Rob and JASMY family. Really like this channel and the community growing around it. Rob, to 10K subs by October. Bullish on that. Absolutely bullish on that. 100%, Tara. I hope you are correct. And I agree with you. The community we're building here is fantastic. Crypto Paradox, what's up, man? Hello, JASMY family. Shane, what's up, Rob and JASMY family? Finally catching a live stream after missing the last few. Good to have you here, buddy. Good to have you, man. Soul Boy in the house. What's up, brother? James, hello, JASMY family. What's up, James? Good to see you. What do we got? Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. I'm still happy you landed safely, man. Still happy you landed safely, brother. All right. So, channel's been growing like a weed, eh, guys? Keep up the good work, man. Absolutely amazing. If you're new here, don't be afraid to smash that subscribe button, guys. We'd love to have you join the family. Wes, what's up, buddy? Been a couple of days, it feels like, man. Shay Boy, what's up, brother? Good to see you. JJ, what's up, man? Hello, JASMY family. What's good, man? What's good? Okay, so let's have a look, guys. Swift is, just like I said, having its own way with the market right now, eh? Up 8.4% on the day. I told you guys, it's funny. It's really funny, guys, because if you guys recall, about 4 or 5 days ago, people were saying in the chat to me, I'm thinking about selling my Swift. Are you still bullish on Swift? Swift's price isn't moving. Guys, that's what the market does, man. That's what the market does, right? Whenever I feel that way, I just buy some more, right? To reaffirm myself and my conviction to what I initially believed in the company, right? So Swift, my bag is looking amazing for Swift right now. It's up fantastic on it. It's been pumping. I mean, look, it's up 24% on the week. Fantastic. Swift's been having a grand old time. BTC 70,900, guys. We did not manage to close above 72, but we can still break above. We can still break above. JASMY's holding 3 cents 96. JASMY's looking up a little bit here. If you check this out, boom. Look at that. We closed this candle red, but we started a new daily candle today, and look at that. We're green already. Looks like we're going to try to test. That 4-cent level again, guys. And look, I got to show you something else too. If you look at the 4-hour, we may actually see a little bit of a run here at 4 cents again, because the stochastic RSI is very oversold on the 4-hour right now, guys. So we could see a test of 4 cents again. Whether we break through or not, I mean, well, that's neither here nor there at this point. We'll have to wait and see how it goes. But it looks like we're going to make another attempt at it tonight, though. Looks pretty good so far. Pew Pew loaded up at the dip, already in the green. Nice. That's how it's done, man. That is how babies are made. Nothing but the North Talk. Good evening, brother, from Nunavut. Good evening, man. Good to see you again. Gain from the UK. Hey, from the UK. Nice. I love it, guys. I'm bullish as hell on seeing people come into the chat from all over the globe, man. That makes me bullish AF. Keep up the great content. Jasmy trying to pump right now. Let's go. Absolutely, VTT. Face man, thank you so much, brother. I was almost worried today didn't much update. Busy. Yeah. Yeah, we always got you covered, though, man. We always got you covered. Skyla's run. Australia in the house. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. How do we convert our fetch? If you're holding it on, you just have to hold it on a centralized exchange, right? So where are you holding your fetch? I believe either Coinbase or like Binance or any of the major centralized exchanges, they will just automatically convert your coins for you, from my understanding. That's the way every migration that I've ever participated in has worked. You just have to hold them on a centralized exchange, and they'll just put the equivalent of ASI tokens into your wallet for you, right? And then I believe they'll either get rid of your fetch, or your fetch will say a value of 0, right? One of those things. Jasmy looks like it wants to retest 4 cents. Yep, it looks like she's gonna try tonight, man. She's gonna try. Can Jasmy get the 50 cents? Oh, of course, 100%. 100%. Shane, hey Rob, I sold some stocks. And I have about 5K to play with. I sent my portfolio last week and wanted to pick your brain on where I should put it to balance. Let me know if you need me to resend. Yes, resend it to me, and I will look at it tonight. And I will get back to you tonight on it, brother. Might have got lost in the. Yeah, I have like a ton of messages over on the Discord when I wake up every morning. So send it tonight, and I will look at it tonight, and I will respond to you tonight, brother. Holding on Coinbase. Yes. Yeah, all three of them. Ocean, SingularityNet, and AGIX. They'll just airdrop the new ASI tokens into your wallet. I would imagine Coinbase is participating, but what I would say is I would go to Coinbase support on X, go to their page, shoot them a message, and ask them directly if they're supporting the migration. Normally they announce it though at least a week beforehand, so they'll probably make the announcement in the next couple of days that they are supporting it. Just keep an eye out for it. When the world knows Jasmy, we will know the price for sure. Absolutely, man. Shane, you're the man. Thank you. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. River, hey Rob, what's the deal on XCN, and do you stake it? Not sure if it's a good play. Is it? I love XCN, River. I've been stocking up on XCN like crazy lately, trying to reach my goal of about 4 million tokens. Yeah, I am big on XCN. Actually, I had Rue Black on the live stream last night, and he actually drew a connection between XCN and Swift, interestingly enough, right? So, yeah, very, very, very bullish on XCN. I don't stake it right now, but people have been telling me a lot about their staking is very, very good. So I am looking into staking it. Amen, Steve. I wonder how high Jasmy will hit in 2025. I'm thinking $1.50, $2. I like to try to keep it, expectations low. Coinbase not so good on support. Well, you're not wrong. Gig Grifter, what's up, man? Hope to grab more Jasmy at 2.5 cents or lower. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be honest with you here, brother. We would have to fall down to get to 2 cents 5. We'd have to fall down below this moving average. We'd have to collapse below the support at 3 cents 5, which is held very strong. Then we'd have to collapse down through support at 3 cents 2. Then we'd have to collapse down to 3 cents even. Then we'd have to collapse down through 2 cents 7.5 and then all the way down, and then we would get to 2 cents 5. So we would have to collapse through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 support levels to get there. I'm not sure that's going to happen, man. Something bad would have to happen in the market to get back down that low. I could see us potential that we could pull back down to about 3 cents even to retest it at some point. That's realistic, but I don't know if we're going any further than that. 3 cents 5 has been a very solid level of support. And to fall through like 5 support levels too, that's kind of hard to do, man. Potentially 6 with this other moving average moving up as well, right? Potentially 6 support levels. That would be kind of hard, right? I'm up 700% on JASMY. Nice. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. I absolutely love to see that. Guys, also, if you're over on the Patreon or you have the Patreon tier level for YouTube, I just released another video today for that. So you guys are going to want to check that out. And if you want to get in on that, guys, the link to the Patreon is either down below or click the link in the chat for that. So I saw on Twitter, we're on target for 10 cents. What's your thoughts? I agree, but I was just actually watching an interesting TA. I can't remember the name of the guy, but he was just doing some TA on JASMY, and he's anticipating a 29-cent JASMY by the end of August, interestingly enough. And I saw his point. I don't know if I necessarily think he's 100% accurate, but I did see his point, right? So very, very interesting. Wouldn't that be nice? A 29-cent JASMY by the end of August? That would be fantastic. Veracity, yes. People have been asking me about Veracity lately, like if I'm still bullish on it and stuff. 100% I'm still bullish on it. I only have 100K JASMY. Will that give decent returns so I can retire? To be honest with you, man, I always say to you guys, people ask me what's the minimum JASMY that they should hold, and I always say about 100,000. So I think everyone should hold at least 100,000. So you meet that threshold, I think you'll be fine, man. If JASMY gets to $1 in this bull run, you're looking at 100K, right? So you're doing all right, man. If it goes to $1, then that's 100K. Yeah, exactly. And don't forget taxes. Yeah, that's the thing, taxes, right? It's actually, the thing is though, in Canada, it's actually, if it's $250,000 or less, it's actually less tax that you pay. So keep that in mind too. Check PNG. PNG, yeah, I just looked at PNG this morning in the stream, didn't we? Let's have a look over at PNG. How's it doing today? How's it doing this evening? Oh, it's up 3.6%. Not too bad. Not too good. You know, chilling, killing. 105, almost $106 million market cap. Yeah, still doing good. Yeah, we were bullish on it this morning. It's actually up a little bit from where it was this morning. So, yeah, very, very good. Very good. Like the project. What do you think of Aerodrome coin? And well, I just looked at Pangolin. But I do like Aerodrome as well. I'm bullish on Aerodrome. I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to do well in the bull run. It's one that I've been meaning to actually get in on. Half $1 billion market cap, still reasonable over on base. I think base is going to do projects on base are going to be very successful, I think, in the future. So I am bullish on Aerodrome for sure. What's your prediction for XCN? Well, I mean, I did a price prediction video for XCN. So you know what? I'm not going to spoil it. I did it like 2 days, the day before yesterday. So I'm going to encourage you to go watch my XCN price prediction video because I give you my reasons. I give you a couple of price targets where I think it's going to go. So check that out. I don't want to give it away in the stream. Thoughts on LYX? That's familiar. I think we looked at that the other day too. LYX. Yes, we did. Luxo. She looks so good. $91 million market cap. Smart contract. This is a layer 1, right? Yeah, I think it was bullish on this. Hasn't had a parabolic run yet, really. But I am bullish over on KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC. It's got Crypto.com. Yes, I think that this one could have a nice run. $11.60 was the all-time high. This will smash that. This will smash its all-time high, in my opinion, for sure. I'm a big fan of layer ones. You guys know that, right? Liquidity, what's up, man? Good to see you. Gain, so Canada doing 25 basis points rate cut, and ECB also, what up? Yes. Yeah, Canada to announce today. They did a 25 BPS base cut, a rate cut, 25 basis points. Fantastic. I'm hoping to see the U.S. follow suit. Swift coin, yes. You know what? I actually have the chart up for Swift coin, so let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at Swift coin. Look at that. We've broken out very nicely out of this bull pennant here, guys. I've been telling you guys to watch it. We've broken out. We've now started our third daily candle. And I'm going to be honest with you here, man. I think that we are going to see something similar to, I'll show you here in a second. Hang on. Let me just pull up the chart. I think we're going to see something very similar to what we saw here on KASPA, right? Look at this. Boom. Look at KASPA, right? And it's not done. KASPA's not done by a long shot, right? It's testing its all-time high here. It broke up to its all-time high. It wicked above it to 19 cents for, guys, and then wicked back down again. People took profits, obviously, right? But I think Swift is setting itself up to do something like this. KASPA's not done yet. It's going to smash through the all-time highs. So if you look at that, and then we come over here, right, and we look at Swift again, I think Swift is just getting started on that same run. I think we're going to see Swift do not parabolic, but I think it's going to do a nice stiff run up at least to around this level here, around between a seventh and an eighth of a cent. I was actually watching some TA earlier today too that's calling for Swift to run all the way up to 1 cent. So it is due. It's breaking out, guys. I think we're going to see it pop here very, very soon. So very bullish on that. Not too sure if you talked about it or seen it, Rob. How do you feel about Polyswarm? Ticket is NCT. I actually, you know what? I do like Polyswarm. I was looking at getting into it about a year and a half ago, and I didn't. I can't remember why. I don't think they were listed on any of the exchanges that I was using at the time. I think that's why I didn't pick it up. But yes, I am bullish on Polyswarm, definitely. $39 million market cap. Yes. Cybersecurity. All-time high 17 cents. Yes, I am bullish. Yeah, see, I don't use any of these exchanges really. I could pick it up on MetaMask, but I'm not paying the Ethereum gas fee for something so ridiculous. So that's why I don't own it right now, to be honest with you. But I am bullish on it, though. I am bullish on it. Also, once rate cuts announced, will there be a correction? If they announce rate cuts, market's going to run. I just looked at Swift a second ago. Spell. So, guys, here's the thing, right? I know your questions end up becoming delayed because, like, you know, I'm trying to keep up with the chat. I'm trying to get to everybody, but it's like a 5-minute delay, possibly longer, because I go through everybody's questions. So if you want to get my attention sooner, I'm not ignoring you and stuff. Like I always say, just send it in a super chat. I will jump immediately to the super chats and then work my way back up to where I was. I'm not ignoring you. It just takes a long time to get through the comments, right? So spell token. Sorry. Yes, we will look at spell token. Let's look at the chart for spell, actually, instead of going over to CoinGecko. I think I looked at the chart for spell this morning, didn't I? You guys recall? I think I looked at it this morning. Maybe it was yesterday. What do we got here? What was I looking at? So we were looking at the 4-hour and the 1 hour. Looks like this didn't work out too well. It's still in a pattern though. So if we kind of zoom out on this a little bit, right? It looks very similar to what JASMY actually did what JASMY had been doing, right, for 4 months or 3 months, not 4 months, sorry, right? It's just kind of going sideways inside of here, right? JASMY did that. If we go over and we look at the JASMY chart, we did this for about 4 or 3 months. See, from February 28th, and we just went sideways for 3 months and then broke to the upside, right? Spell seems to be starting that right now. Well, not right now, but you know, on the 4 hour anyway. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of what it looks like anyway. Just check spell. Gala going to 62 cents is about the same price as JASMY right now. Yeah, I think that's where Gala is probably going to finish off somewhere around that 60-cent range. You have to understand that Gala, they diluted their tokens a lot in that migration, right? JASMY is my second highest on the portfolio, but my top coin is Render, 11K. I'm hoping Render can go to 50. Oh, yeah, easy. Definitely Render can do that. Definitely Render can do that, in my opinion. What about XRP? From Italy, yes, very bullish on XRP, man. Very bullish on XRP. Hang on a second. Way to tick. I mean, we looked at XRP as well this morning, right? So on the daily, because we talked about how, right? Like if you look at this, right? We did this morning, right? Same thing. What did we do in XRP for how freaking long, right? I think this was what was this? 3 years, roughly, before we started to run up. It was about 3 years, right? 2 years. Sorry, that's what it was. And then look what we're doing here again, guys. Right? Same thing. This is what XRP does, right? It'll frustrate you because it'll do nothing for so long and then pow, right? Well, we're due for this big pow again, but this time it's going to be so much bigger, in my opinion, because this was the peak, guys. Look at this was with a lawsuit suppressing it. You have to keep that in mind, right? So without the lawsuit suppressing it, I think it's going to go nuts. I think it's going to go. This is going to look like a little tick, in my opinion. High Street and Helium, hoping to. Yes, I do like Helium Mobile for sure. I do like Helium. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Scam, Genebox AI ready to go to 1 cent. Genebox AI, what is that? Genebox AI, almost a half a cent. We're gonna have to go to CoinMarketCap. This is in Canadian. Let me switch it back to US. There. I don't want to screw you guys up. You're like, what? Almost, wow, under a $5 million market cap. 100% of the supply in circulation. It's 1 billion tokens. All-time high 15 hours ago. So it's not even a year old. Only listed on Uniswap MetaMask. What do they do? AI-driven Spattle designer crafted immersive 3D worlds. Oh yeah, we looked at this, didn't we, like a week ago? Yeah, seems like a decent little play. Seems decent enough. Okay, it's 2 a.m. in the UK. Time to hit the sack. Have a good night, Gain. Have yourself a good night, my friend. Yeah, JASMY scam for X marks the spot. What's up, buddy? Good night and big up, fam. Good night, brother. Good night. Liquidity, definitely good to add more XCN soon. Hoping it doesn't pump too much too soon. Yes, I agree. I'm still working on it myself, man. Beebs, Rob, I watched your YouTube, your Turbo video. Do you think Turbo could be a 5 to 6 meme coin this cycle? Top 5? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Turbo is like the first AI generated meme coin too, right? So it's got a great community. I think that Turbo is going to be one of the main themed meme coins this bull run. I do think so, man. Yes, I did put out that. If you're wondering what he's talking about, guys, I put out a Turbo price prediction video, so check that out as well. Barack, what's up, buddy? Beer coin's doing great. Beer coin. I got to get me some beer coin, man. $230 million market cap. Wow. Schnikes. All-time high 12 hours ago. So it's not even a month old. It's about a month old, I suppose. Okay. Little meme coin action on Solana. Nice. You know what? I'm always open-minded to meme coins on Solana. I mean, they have proven track record now. The gas fees are low, so I'm always game and open-minded for for a meme coin on Solana for sure. Dwayne, what's a realistic price prediction, Rob, for JASMY, where you feel it will be a great exit price for the masses to start selling? I mean, honestly, if it's around 70 cents, you should probably be taking at least 10% out, in my opinion. 60, 70 cents. If you got in at half a cent, 204, 205, 206, 207, if we're getting up to 60, 70 cents, you should at least have taken out 10% at that point, in my opinion. Momo, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, what exchange do you use to cash out for swapping your crypto into USDT? I use, if I'm not swapping directly on my ledger, then I use KuCoin, I use BitTrue, I use LBank. Yeah, those are the main ones. I use, there's a Canadian exchange that I use called Newton as well. And yeah. By the way, guys, I took out a poll there, or a survey, asking how many of you guys actually use leverage trading, because the reason that I say this is I've had a couple of you guys asking me for advice on your leverage trading, and I have refused to give out any advice because I do some leverage trading myself, but I will not give you answers on how to or what projects you should be shorting and longing, because if you get wrecked, I sure as hell am not having you blame me. So I'm not being a dick. That's just not a bridge. I can't give you financial advice like that. I'm not that guy. So, hey, Rob, JASMY's trying to break back up. Yes, it is, man. Yes, it is. Where are we at here? Yeah, she's trying to test that 4-cent level again. She's trying. Did I just hear spell token? I'm doing good, Michael. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man. Thomas, did you talk about Elon yet? If you did, no, I did not. Not yet. JASMY will break 4 cents tonight. Yes, that would be epic. $5,000 ICP or XRP long term. Thank you. Long time sub. Loving my new crypto family. Well, if we have to look at both of them here, right? If we're looking at XRP, let's simply go off of market cap. Okay, both have fantastic utility, hands down fantastic utility for both projects. Okay, so we've got We've got 29 billion for XRP. And with ICP, we've got a market cap of 5. So you're probably going to get a better return on investment in one cycle off of ICP, to be honest with you, right? Caw finally pumped. Is Caw pumping? Boom, 27.6%. Nice. Very nice pump on Caw. Yes, I believe Caw is going to be the most prominent meme coin on Crow. Definitely. Kevin was thinking of selling 200K JASMY to buy more Swift. Your thoughts, not financial advice. What I would say, brother, is try to get some extra funds and try to accumulate more Swift that way, man. I would not rob Peter to pay Paul, right? I wouldn't rob my JASMY to buy Swift. The only time I do that is if it's a project that it's not really like a super long-term hold. Like I recently did that. If you remember a few weeks ago, I sold off some Glimmer and some Sandbox to buy more XCN, I believe, right? But those are just kind of, medium projects for me. They weren't really, true conviction plays. They were just like, these will do okay. But something like JASMY, I would not do. I would consolidate lesser projects, but not something like JASMY. You owe 100 JASMY if you don't hit the like button. That's the science of it. I don't make the rules, man. I don't make the rules. X marks the spot's the enforcer here, right? So I would agree. I would agree. Liquidity, your best. What's your best educated guess price prediction on NCD Polyswarm and not financial advice? Of course, Rob. Polyswarm price prediction. Well, where were we last time? We made it to 17 cents. I don't remember what the dilution rate is through the bear markets, but 82% of the supply is in circulation. Market cap still reasonably low. I mean, I could see this. This will definitely smash through 17 cents. That's beyond a shadow of a doubt, in my opinion. Conservatively, 30 to 40 cents around there, conservatively, barring anything bad happening. MB, hey Rob, what do you think JASMY will be next month? I mean, I think we could be, if you're talking about July, I mean, I think we'll be up around that 9-10 cent level, possibly. It's going to take, the thing is though, guys, it's going to take a lot to get through that 5 cent barrier, right? It's between 4 and 5 cents. It's a lot of resistance there. If we can break it, it's a straight shot to 9 cents. If you had to choose between Spell or XCN, which would you go for? I love both. Man, XCN. I have my reservations about Spell, so it would not even be difficult for me to make that decision. XCN. Thank you. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. If you're new here, guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join us long term here. Rob, would you sell VeChain to plow into JASMY? If I was in the green, I would. If I was in the green. If I was in the red, I wouldn't. So, yeah. All right, let's get into some of the coverage here, guys. Let's get into some of the coverage. So, as I always say, guys, just so you know, I'm going to step away from the chat now. I'm not ignoring you. I'm going to cover all of the news. We've got a lot of news to go through. I'm going to be covering that. So if you want to get my attention, you have a comment or a question, send it in a super chat so that I can see it. It'll pop up and I'll jump right to it. So I'm over here looking at the news now. All right. So what do we got first? Laura log on data. Check it out.
In this revolution, right, unlike the Industrial Revolution, humanity is really the product. And we see this every single day because our data is more valuable than anything else in the world. And this audience probably knows everything that I'm saying already. But in this
data is so valuable, guys, that people are underestimating it at this point, right? You don't understand how valuable your data is and how much money these companies are making off of your data. People people don't really pay attention to it. They say, oh, yeah, whatever, my data, blah, 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 right? No, they're making billions of dollars a year off of our data that should be going into our pockets, guys, right? It matters. Trust me, it matters, right? That's like saying if you were walking down the street and you saw $20 on the ground, would you pick it up? Of course you would, right? So yeah. All right. What else do we got? Let's see what's going on around the market. So Andre Dinero says on the 2 days ago, these indicators gave us a very nice pump. Guess what, fam? JASMY on the 4-hour. As I showed you guys on the 4-hour already, the RSI is oversold, the MACD is oversold, and the stochastic RSI is oversold. I showed you guys that on the chart already. So we could, that's why I said we could test 4 cents again tonight, guys. We likely will test it, right? We have a little bit of room to go on the 4-hour that looks pretty juicy. So would be very, very nice. What else do we got? Andre Dinero says the Bank of Canada cuts interest rates by 25 BPS. Tomorrow, the ECB will probably cut rates by 25 BPS too. The Fed may follow. Next meeting is June 11th and 12th. JASMY will fly next week. Eduardo with the super chat. Do you think JASMY will hit 10? The top 10. Sorry, will it hit the top 10? I just did a video earlier today. It's coming out tomorrow, covering whether JASMY can actually leapfrog Cardano in market cap. And I have to say, after making the video and looking into it, I do think that it's possible, my friend. I do think that it is possible, yes. All right, what else do we got? Little update on Taraxa here, guys. Boom. Another solid layer 1 on Terra, fully permissionless. They say no central entity controls the asset. Completely decentralized, guys. Anyone can run a bridge node. Anyone can connect any asset. All verifications on chain, 100% open source. I am very bullish on Terra, guys. Very, very bullish. This is just funny. This is just worth a good laugh, guys. Check this out. I played this morning, but there's a little subtle thing here, okay? It's only 14 seconds. But listen very closely. Jim Cramer says he brings up Ripple and XRP because he's trying to talk negatively with Gary Gensler about crypto, and he brings up Ripple and the SEC lawsuit, and then he goes, if you listen, he goes, "Oh, that's right, you lost that one." Watch this. Watch.
Can I? We have only a little bit of time.
The SEC versus Ripple Labs.
Ripple.
Right, Dave, what do you want to add?
There you go. I've got the floor.
Thanks.
You lost that one. Oh man, you see how quick Gary tries to change the subject on him, though. See, as soon as he mentions it, Gensler says, interrupts. Watch.
We have only a little bit of time.
The SEC versus Ripple Labs.
Ripple.
Right, Dave, what do you want to add?
There you go. I've got the floor.
Thanks.
Oh, that's so awesome. I could play that over and over and over again. Oh, that's awesome. What else do we got? Metal Lawman, check this out, guys. Another loss for Gary Gensler's regime as the Fifth Circuit finds the SEC exceeded the authority granted to it by Congress. Sound familiar? Congress needs to withhold funding of the SEC until such time as it is demonstrated that it can be trusted to follow the law. Check this out, guys. The Fifth Circuit just vacated the SEC's private funds rule, holding that the SEC exceeded its statutory authority to regulate private fund advisors. The administrative state is out of control, and the federal judiciary is reining it in. Love to see it. We're going to touch further on that, guys, but the SEC suffers another massive blow again today in the courts. Love to see it. Let's visit Steph here, guys. This is what I was talking about earlier. I said between 4 and 5 cents is a massive level of resistance. As you see, the most important resistance to break for JASMY sits between 4 cents and 5 cents. As you can see here, guys, right? Very, very, lot of sell orders, a lot of resistance. But we break out of here, guys. If we break out of this, it's a straight shot to 9 cents. 9 cents, almost 100% pump from breaking out of here, right? So very, very bigly, guys. Very bigly indeed. What else do we got? Eleanor Tourette says, Scoop, standing with crypto has just reached 1 million advocates. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong tells me, quote, the crypto constituency will be a major force in the U.S. election. And if politicians, especially in battleground states, want to get elected, they'll need to listen. Stand with Crypto is an advocacy organization started by Coinbase in August. It advocates for fair regulation of digital assets in the U.S. and encourages American crypto voters to make their voices heard in the 2024 election. Very, very positive, guys. 1 million advocates. You think that politicians are not paying attention to that? I got a bridge to nowhere that I'll sell you. What else do we got? JC says BlackRock is launching. Guys, this is huge. This is like next level. The world times are a changing, guys. BlackRock is launching the Texas competitor to New York Stock Exchange. They'll create an Ethereum L2 for this exchange, right? The SEC Commissioner, Hester Pierce, wants to create a sandbox for issuing, trading, and settlement of securities on the distributed ledger. Where will the sandbox run? Probably on the new Texas, TXSE, Texas Stock Exchange. Why? Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, kept talking about the tokenization for the last 2 years. This exchange will become the first tokenized security exchange in the U.S. The securities market is huge, built on Ethereum. Massive deal here, guys. The New York Stock Exchange is a thing. It's a relic of the past. Times are changing right in front of your eyes, you guys. Right in front of your eyes. These things are changing, right? Crazy, 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 crazy. All right, let's check in on Michael Van de Pop, my main man. But first, we got super chat to shoot down to. Isaac, thank you so much, my friend, for the super chat. As always, your support means everything, brother. It means everything. As I said earlier, it's awesome to have you here in the streams, man. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. Awesome, man. As I said, guys, I always jump directly to the super chats while I'm doing the news and stuff like that. So if you want to catch my eye, that's how you do it. So thank you so much, man. Again, Isaac. Again, Eduardo. Fantastic, man. Michael Van de Pop says, strong move for Bitcoin. New all-time high on the horizon. Expecting altcoins to turn the engine on as well. Slowly, they are waking up. Slowly, altcoins are waking up. Yes, I agree. Very, very bullish, guys. We're starting to see a couple of them that are breaking out. Swift is breaking out. KASPA is breaking out. JASMY's been breaking out. We're seeing it all over the place, guys. Some of the meme coins have been breaking out. It's coming. It's coming, guys. You can feel it in the air, right? You can feel it in the air, man. And check this out as well, man. Swift, which is breaking out. Look at all of these massive buy orders on Swift, guys, from May 30th all the way to June 1st. Look at these orders, guys, right? Swift just giving you guys a heads up, says 279. It's going to surge. Do what you will with this. She's projecting a profit range for Swift of 207 to 1 cent in the next leg up. Very, very bullish, guys. Love to see a 1 cent Swift in the immediate short term. Fantastic. Do it now. My bags will look fantastic, man. Thank goodness I loaded up so low on Swift, man. That 204 level, I stocked up a whole crap load of Swift. 4 million. Lark Davis, check this out. Franklin Templeton, CEO on Bitcoin ETF adoption. This is really the first wave of early adopters. The next wave is going to be much bigger institutions. No one is even close to bullish enough. Let's check this out.
Let's talk about spot Bitcoin ETFs. We're 5 months in. You guys have roughly $420 million in assets under management collectively across all the spot ETFs. We're looking at around $58 billion in AUM. How are you feeling about things, nearly halfway through the year?
No, I mean, on the spot Bitcoin ETF, we're feeling really good about it, actually. We are the lowest provider in the market. And, I think we've been happy with the growth.
And so what's next? Are you looking to capture more market share or optimize for the clients?
100%. We're hoping that people will be fee sensitive and we'll capture more market share. And as people become more interested in the space, you have a lot of firms that are a little bit in a wait and see mode. So you haven't even gotten that second wave. Like, this is really the first wave of the early adopters. And I think the next wave is the much bigger institutions who get more comfortable with kind of how it's settled out.
Let's talk about spot Bitcoin ETF.
That's what we've seen in inflows right now, is what she's saying in the US for the money coming into the spot Bitcoin ETFs is just the first wave, guys. And I showed you guys yesterday that we had $888 million pour into spot Bitcoin ETFs. And today we had more. We're going to cover it, but they're saying that is the start of wave 2. So we may see a wave 2 over the next 2 or 3 months of inflows now into these ETFs, the spot Bitcoin ETFs, right? Which is going to drive the price well over 90 to 100K, guys, in the short term here. Because think about it. What was the price of Bitcoin in January? Well, let's actually look so that we get our numbers accurate here, okay? Let's actually go back and look. So back in January, and we had charted this. So January 10th was when they got approved, okay? Right about here. So the price of Bitcoin was what? Oh, that's 2020. That's 2023. Sorry. That's too far back. See, that's why we got to go for accurate numbers, right? Okay, so January 10th, right about here. So the price of Bitcoin was roughly $43,000, roughly, okay? $43,000. So just in that couple of months, right, we ran up to what? Yeah, like 92%. Right, 92% roughly. We ran up. Oh no, that's not right. Here we go. Damn it. So yeah, we ran up 88%. There we go. We ran up about 88% from the low, right? In just a couple of months from the ETF approval, guys. That was just wave 1. Right? So how much more are we going to run up? So we ran from what was it? 42,000 up to 73,000 in the first wave. So if we ran up about $30,000 roughly, what's $30,000 from where we are now? Well, it's between $90,000 and $100,000, right? So then wave 2 on this could be spectacular. Right? So very, very bullish, guys. So I keep saying, people don't know what's coming, man. People don't know what's coming. Well, the people who watch this channel know what's coming, I'll say that. All right. What else do we got? Okay, so we looked at that. We looked at that. Let's see what Patrick McHenry has to say about the good old SEC. So he says the courts have once again sent SEC Chair Gary Gensler a much-needed reminder to operate within his agency's statutory mandate. The SEC's private fund rule is a thinly veiled ploy to dictate private fund management, and this decision is welcomed news. Very bullish, guys. Let me know. Do you guys want to get into it? I can read the article if you guys... Actually, I don't know if it'll let me. No, it won't let me. It's a paywall. It's a paywall scam. It's a scam wall. All right. So, check this out. We got this. I got something a little special for you here. What do we got? JASMY coin price analysis. What's the next target for JASMY? Let's check it out. He looks serious. He looks serious and jacked, right? JASMY's making a buzz in the market and gathering everyone's attention with its robust performance. At press time, the coin is trading in a bullish zone above the key moving averages. Indicators are supporting the coin's bullish momentum. JASMY crypto social dominance and social volume took a solid spike in recent times, showcasing the increasing popularity of the cryptocurrency. According to the social dominance and social volume sentiment chart, these hiccups. The popularity has been increasing for the last few months. Its positivity impacted by the price. Furthermore, the future momentum of the JASMY price may depend on the change in social dominance and volume dominance. If the social metrics continue to spike, the price will have a positive impact. On the technical charts, JASMY crypto is trading in the bullish zone above the essential exponential moving averages. Meanwhile, the crypto showcased a robust performance throughout the last year as the price grew by 495.27% year to date. Additionally, the coin grew by 52.05% in the last week, 93% in the last month, 84.38% in the previous 3 months, and 549.47% in the last 6 months, indicating the buying momentum. When writing, the JASMY coin price is trading at 3 cents 88 with the intraday surge of 0.76%. The daily volume also surged by 35%, demonstrating high buying and selling activity in the coin. JASMY crypto's market cap stands at 1.93 billion and its volume to market cap ratio stands at 23.50%, signifying the coin has good liquidity. At press time, JASMY has a circulating supply of 49.3 billion coins and a max supply of 50 billion. Moreover, it has a fully diluted market cap of 1.96 billion. The JASMY crypto price is trading above the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages levels, demonstrating bullishness. Moreover, the crypto is hovering in an overbought zone. On the daily, on the 4-hour, it's actually in the oversold. The RSI curve stands at 81.31 above the 14-day SMA curve in the bullish zone, which points to the bullishness of the cryptocurrency's price. The MACD curves also hover in the bullish territory. The green histograms in MACD define bullishness. JASMY coin is exhibiting a strong bullish trend as evidenced by its performance above key moving averages and a significant 51% increase in the value over the past week. The cryptocurrency's social metrics have spiked, indicating a rise in popularity that could positively influence its price trajectory, with the RSI indicator suggesting an overbought condition and the price trading well above the EMA levels. The technical analysis supports the ongoing bullish sentiment. The substantial year-to-date growth of 495.27% and consistent gains over various time frames underscores the market's buying momentum. JASMY's liquidity is also high by its market cap and volume to market ratio. The analysis given above is for, we know risks. We know. So looks like bullish momentum to the upside, guys, is the general sentiment here. Nothing's looking very bearish on the charts at this time. So that's fantastic news. And we'll have some more fantastic news for you here as we do our evening check-in on the Dixie. And she ain't looking so great. She's continuing to dump to the downside. I love looking at the 15. Look at that 15. Oof, Maron. She hurts. She's bleeding. Looks like she bobbed when she should have weaved. Another little red candle going there on the 4 hour. Love to see it, guys. We need this to completely break all the way down. Just keep on breaking down. Look at that. Beautiful. 5 red daily candles in a row as she continues her downward trajectory. Very bullish, guys. Very bullish for crypto. Let's go back and look over at the JASMY chart. Pow! Still green. Still green, guys. I wonder if we're going to test this moving average as support or if we're going to break up to that 4-cent level and test it again. I think we're going to test 4 cents again tonight, guys. I do. I could see us testing it 3 days in a row here. It would be 3 days in a row. 4 out of the last 5 days we will have tested it, right? Which is fantastic because the more we touch this level, the more we kiss off of it, the weaker this level is going to get, right? So we could see a breakthrough on it at any given time if we continue to test it. So very, very bullish there. And then again, guys, I talked about it earlier, but I'm going to show you again on BTC. Guys, look at this is how close we are to a short squeeze above $75,000 to new all-time highs. This right here, just this little window here, if we break above and close above this blue line, which is 72,000, right? Guess what? We have a 1.5 billion in shorts that are going to be liquidated, right? They're defending the level very well. But if we break above this and close, man, it's liquidation city. It's short squeeze time. It's $75,000+ for Bitcoin. And it is, boom, altcoins are going to start running. So very, very bullish there. KASPA's doing another green candle on the daily. So yeah, KASPA is running another green candle on the daily as well, as we see. Started that new daily candle here. Boom, looking good, looking healthy for further continuation. Again, going over to Swift. Same thing. Very bullish, guys. Very bullish on Swift. 3 daily candles in a row. Only matter of time, guys. Like I said, 207 to 1 cent is where we're going to end up with this breakout, I believe. So we're going to stay on top of it. We'll see what happens. Just in, BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF IBIT had another 155.6 million in inflows today, guys. So a total of $888 million. Yeah, $1 million in inflows yesterday across the board. And then just BlackRock alone today had another 155 million in inflows, guys. Bullish AF. And then somebody had asked me about the new Coinbase wallet. It's actually a smart wallet, guys. I'm going to play their video, but I can't play the sound because there's a song, but check it out, okay? Introducing the smart wallet. This is going to help onboard a lot more users to crypto, like your parents and stuff like that, your grandparents that are not tech savvy, guys. And someone asked the question, this is going to scale down the fees as well. Check it out. This is how billions of people will come on chain, okay? That's the plan here, to onboard people without experience who are not tech savvy. Say goodbye to seed phrases. They were too long and hard. Say hello to passkey. Simplify transactions and gas fees. Connect your Coinbase balances. The easiest way to get on-chain, Coinbase wallet. This is going to make things so much easier for people who don't know how to do crypto, right? So fees are lower, timing, all that stuff. Scalable, guys. Finally, right? Finally. We got some Swift news as well. Check it out. Swift says, we are excited to announce that a new Layer 2 network has been successfully integrated on the All-Chain Bridge. Welcome Merlin Layer 2. Very, very bullish on Swift, guys. More good news. It just keeps coming out, right? They're hitting us with so many rights. We're begging for a left over here. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. All right. What are the bubbles telling us? Swift's up 9.6% now. Guys, I can't believe I'm looking at a $1.93 billion market cap for JASMY coin. Like, it wasn't long ago we were looking at like a $70, $80 million market cap, or sort of $700, $800 million market cap, right? Crazy. Absolutely crazy. In a good way. In a good way. All right, let's get back into the chat. James, what's up, buddy? How much XCN do I need to hold to make at least $10,000? Well, I mean, if you think it depends on where you think the price is going, right? I mean, where do you think the price is going? If you think it's going to, I don't know, 50 cents, you got to hold what, 20,000? I think something like that. Spell or XCN, both. XCN for me, man. Or yeah, XCN for me. Hey there, Rob. Good evening. I know you're not here in the States. Do you think we will have regulations before the next run? Some, but not all. Limited. Danny, what's up, buddy? I have a question about the Ledger device. How do you get JASMY off Coinbase and into the Ledger? Same way you would transfer your JASMY any crypto from wallet to wallet or from exchange to exchange. You just copy the deposit address and the withdraw, right, under the withdraw, right? Same way you would transfer anything. But I can't really help you when it comes to Coinbase. I don't use Coinbase, so I don't know how different it is. Bigly, WF Capital, Bigly, absolutely, brother. Carrot is pumping. Is it? Is it now? It's up 11.23%. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's only got 8% of the supply in circulation, though. I don't know how much I like that. I am not bullish on that. You don't want to get Rob's attention. He might go on a rant. Surprisingly, I haven't ranted in a little while, Michael. I've been peaceful, man. I've been peaceful. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Focusing on a $2 to $5 KASPA. Is that what you're thinking? Absolutely, man. That's where my target is, man. 100%. Once again, Isaac, thank you so much for the super chat, my brother. Justin, Rob, my dog, what's up, brother? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Just chilling, you know, being solid. Andrew, is JASMY on Elon Musk's radar? We're going to cover it. We got one more article to cover here. We're going to talk about it. I'm just trying to plow through some of these comments here. Every time you say you can feel it in the air, it reminds me of the song by Beanie Siegel, Feel It in the Air. I don't know if you know that one or not. No, I'm going to have to check it out. I'm going to have to look it up, man. Can anyone know what happened to Legacy Network? They're migrating. They're doing a migration. That's what's happening with them. John, in the Patreon group, do you show us how to read charts? I can start showing you that stuff. Yes. That kind of stuff, guys. If you want to see certain stuff over on the member side or on the Patreon, you just let me know. and I got you covered, right? We can start off with teaching you how to read candles and stuff like that for sure. I am Rob. We're all Rob. Rob is amazing at this now. Who needs George? Hit the likes, guys. Good show, man. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jay. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. I am JASMY. We're all JASMY, right? Solid. What else do we got? Crypto Wax. Hey, hey, which is the Swift coin? Current market cap 57 million. Thanks. The Swift coin here, I will show you right on screen, my friend. I'll show you right on screen. It is SWFTC is the ticker. Okay, so it is ranked. It is 5 cents 804 right now, if that helps. Okay. So yeah, that's the one right here. Hopefully that helps you, my friend. Maximilian, $1 soon, 100%. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Holmes, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. JASMY, absolutely. Coinbase uses ETH, not ETH 20 for the transactions. So I have them. Nice. Tried to move my JASMY off Coinbase yet. You think the feds will start cutting rates next week? I mean, I'm thinking maybe next month, because I mean, listen, Canada just out of nowhere, no warning at all today, Canada just decided to cut the rates by 25 basis points, right? Out of nowhere. So the state, I could see the states doing it too. They might not be pre-announcing it because they don't want to pump the markets, right? I had the same problem with Coinbase. I wanted to connect through Binance, so I have left JASMY on Coinbase. Coinbase is somewhat of a safer place to hold your stuff, though, to be perfectly honest. If there was a safe place to hold it, it would probably be Coinbase, I guess. Brian with the super chat. What's up, Rob Father? Did you take your stake your Type A? No. Where can we stake it, man? Let me know, brother. And thank you so much for the super chat too, brother. But no, I have not staked it. If you know where we can stake it, you let a brother know, man. You let a brother know. Where are we here? I have the same problem with Coinbase. I wanted to connect through Binance, so I have left my JASMY on Coinbase. Yes. Chris, what's up, broski? Any of y'all heard? Any of y'all hold Casper? I'm hoping it pulls a late run like DAG did. I hold Casper. I hold about 100,000, a little over 100,000 coins. I think I'm very bullish on Casper. I think Casper can. I watch a lot of Kevin Cage, and I agree with him that I think Casper could definitely hit $1 for sure. Why don't you use Coinbase? Is it the fees? It's the fees. I mean, at Coinbase, they don't hold a lot of the crypto that I like to like. If you want, I like getting in on microcap gems and early projects and stuff like that. And Coinbase doesn't really. Coinbase is generally one of the last exchanges that's going to list a project before, like, everywhere else will list it first. And then you miss out on all those catalysts of listings from like Kraken and Binance and Gemini and like whatever else, right? So I don't have anything against Coinbase. I've just never funded my account because they never. If I wanted to just go buy some like, I don't know, something easy like a blue chip, like I don't know, Chainlink or something like that. But even that, I use for my Bitcoin, I use an exchange here in Canada called ShakePay. So I don't even like, that's where I buy my Bitcoin at. Beebs, Rob, JASMY's market cap hit an all-time high the other day. Yeah, I saw that. It broke 2 billion, eh? Crazy, man. Crazy. And people are still calling it a scam. Isaac, Rob, that would be very cool if you could show us how to read candles on the members only. Absolutely, man. I can do that kind of stuff, man. I can do that kind of stuff for you, for sure. So yeah, if you want that kind of stuff, guys, click the link in the chat or click the join button to become a member or join the Patreon. I will start doing that over on the member side and on the Patreon. We'll start doing some videos on how to read candles and stuff like that. We'll start with some basics If you want to learn how to do that kind of stuff, guys, join the member side or join the Patreon. Link is down below for both. Good evening, Rob. People need to understand consolidation is very good for a project. Any coin that runs straight. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. If you don't build support levels, right? I mean, you just collapse. Like, look at all these resistance levels that JASMY had to go through to get where it is in a short amount of time, right? If we don't consolidate here and build up some support around above 3 cents 5, then if we collapse all the way back down without building some solid support, right? So absolutely. Absolutely. Brooksy, Rob, I know you recognize these coin names. I've been trying to tell people on starting on the moon. Yeah. You have no idea what's coming. I think we looked at some of those. Didn't we look at some of those like 2 days ago? I want to say like 2 days ago we looked at those. RYU. Yeah. Yeah, pumping 40, almost 41% so far today. Very nice, very nice. And what was the other one again? Yeah, we looked at both of these. Yes. 18.5%. Yeah, nice runs on both, man. You're right, Brooksy. You're absolutely right, man. I bought 500,000 Onyx coin, and they gave me a fee. They gave you a fee. What do you mean? Who did? Coinbase? Thanks so much. Cheers. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. They announced it on their X account. I'm gonna have to go check it out, man. I'm gonna have to go check it out. I bought 500 Onyx coin. They gave me a $100 fee. Seemed too much. The fee would be higher to cash. Yeah, that's why I buy my XCN over on KuCoin. Rate cuts will lead to lower DXY value and higher crypto prices. Yes, absolutely, man. Clear View, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. You guys rock, man. You know that? You guys rock. If you're new here, man, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. You are definitely in the right place, my friend. You are in the right place. All right. What else do we got? So let's cover this whole... I've kept you in suspense long enough. Let's check this article out here, guys, and see what it has to say. This Elon Musk connection that they're talking about. So JASMY on Elon Musk's radar? Could Tesla and Apple partnership usher in Tesla and JASMY coin collaboration? Tesla and VeChain hinted at a collaboration showing Elon Musk's continued support in promising crypto projects. Recently, Apple and JASMY coin announced a collaboration to bring JASMY technology onto the iPhones. Will Elon Musk take the Tesla partnership with Apple further and incorporate a partnership with JASMY soon? JASMY has seen an incredible pump over the last 30 days. Not just in its 95% pump, but also in gaining the attention of a wider crypto community. This is greatly thanks to Japan's announcement of the integrating the My Number card feature into the iPhones next spring. Japan's My Number card is powered by JASMY's technology, just bringing JASMY coin blockchain tech onto Apple products. The bullish sentiment that exploded within the crypto market led to a massive influx of interest towards the JASMY project. Now, as the Bitcoin of Japan, JASMY continues to draw the attention of crowds. It may just have the shine to catch the eye of the tech titan Elon Musk. The tech mogul has so far shown great interest in the crypto realm. Till date, Elon Musk has shown support for varying degrees towards different cryptos in the market. For instance, he has always been most fond of Dogecoin and has expressed interest in Bitcoin. While Tesla did accept crypto payments in the form of BTC and Doge, on the on and off, there was a time he expressed his disappointment in the fact that Bitcoin consumes too much energy. It seems his commitment to sustainability is strong even in the crypto realm. It is further proven by the fact that Tesla and VeChain, a green blockchain that shares Musk's sustainability vision, are collaborating on the Tesla dApp together. This dApp will launch on the VBetter DAO to reward Tesla users. The dApp will be similar to that of Tesla and Apple, where Apple's users can interact with their Teslas. Considering JASMY tech will soon enter Apple devices, perhaps this could be the perfect opportunity for a JASMY Tesla collaboration in the future. And I will go one step further and connect the fact that, yes, we spoke heavily on the fact that Elon is all about sustainable futures for companies, green-backed, right? Let me remind you that JASMY runs the what? The carbon credits exchange, guys, right? Tell me that's not going to catch Elon's interest, right? So very, very bullish there. Potential ties across the board. Time of the day also makes a huge, yes. You gotta, if you do your trading on the Ethereum network in the middle of the night, the network's not as congested and the fees go down. So absolutely. I pay $29.99 on Coinbase that waives the fees for $10,000 of trading per month. Nice. Overcome, what's up, man? Rodney Smith, me too. Gonna stop paying as I'm not going to be trading anything the next few months. Yeah, why pay that fee if you're not going to be doing any trading until at least October, November, right? In my opinion, anyway. But yeah, I don't know. A doot doop right? All right. So yeah, guys. All right. So that's I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What I do know is I'm going to have the charts up again tonight, guys. We'll be live streaming this here. We'll see if JASMY can retest 4 cents, maybe break through it. Explain Gene AI. You want me to explain Gene AI? I just looked at it. I don't even know what it is. Somebody asked me about it. It just looks like a decent project. I don't know. It's got a low market cap. 100% of the supply is in circulation. Let's go to the website and have a look together, shall we? Connect, contribute, and thrive. GeneBox leads the gaming industry with cutting-edge innovation, harnessing the power of natural language processing and artificial intelligence. I think this structures metaverse lands or something, doesn't it? Our platform revolutionizes gaming development, freeing developers and focus on creativity and craft immersive gaming experience unlike any other. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it generates VR and metaverse lands or whatever you want to call it, right? They stand at the forefront of the gaming development innovation, leveraging natural language processing and artificial intelligence to redefine the creative process. Our platform empowers developers to transcend traditional methodologies, enabling them to focus on unleashing their imagination and crafting immersive gaming experiences. Bullish project for sure. Casper or KASPA? If you held a gun to my head, I'd say KASPA. KASPA. I like Casper, but I would go with KASPA. I think that there's more potential there, in my opinion. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, that is the news as it stands. I will have the chart streaming a little bit later. I'm going to chill out, have a little dinner, take it easy, right? Chill out a little bit. And yeah, once again, guys, as always, thank you so much for coming, guys. I love hanging out with you guys. Thank you for the support of the channel. If you're becoming a member of the Patreon or of the member side, thank you for the support, guys. The channel, it means a lot. It really, really does. You have no idea. And yeah, just showing up here, chatting with me and stuff. And yeah, so thank you so much, guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the next live stream. Have a good night, guys.